Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will optimize your potato PC and gaming PC. So stuck to the video and do all steps which is shown in the video.
Faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real? Even real? Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, me alive. Drowning in my life. Who am I? Time is eating me My feet glued to the floor, I'm not moving anywhere. Locked inside of a crowd that couldn't care less. Everything was moving so